welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So you guys, I changed the background, finally finished painting it, set it all up for you guys. It looks so cute. Yeah. I'm really happy with how it looks, so like fall vibe-ish. So in today's video I will be unboxing my September Boxycharm. Super excited. So month of September, we're gonna go through it and then we're gonna start playing with the beauties. So first thing I see in here is Phase Zero Blush and Bronzer Duo. So I've never heard of this company. Pretty interesting. So this one goes for $42. Ay, wey, no manches. Mira, look at it. So we have a really pretty kind of peachy blush. Then we have like the really pretty shimmer blush in there. And then we have this bronzing color. To be honest, that color I don't think I'm going to be able to pull off. But it's okay. It's a little bit too light. But nonetheless, awesome. Next thing in here is the Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. Yeah, that is freaking awesome. $18 for the 3-pack, so that's pretty freaking nice. So it calms, hydrates, tightens, and glows. So I guess when I'm having a little panic attack, I'm just gonna slap this on my face and be like, baby, calm down. It's been getting bad. Next thing in here, next thing is a Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Vavavoom Volume. So I'm excited to try this out. I really like trying out new mascaras. Lately, I haven't been wearing like falsies, but I've been liking mascara. Go the extra mile, give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect with just a few strokes. A ver. Next thing in here we have is a Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I love this stuff. I have this in my skincare beauties over there, so I'm so glad I got a backup. This one goes for $45. This is so freaking amazing that we got this in our Boxycharm, because Boxycharm is around $21, you guys, and it hooks you up with some really good skincare. Oh yeah, so that's freaking awesome. And then I seen this and I'm so freaking excited. This is the Spanglish Alamar Cosmetics. It's so freaking awesome that they are now in Target. Give them a little whoop whoop. That is so freaking awesome. Let me open it. I have not seen this. Let me see. Let's open. Oh my gosh, look how big that mirror is. Oh yeah, and the colors are freaking beautiful. Hell yeah, I cannot wait. Oh my goodness, I love how big the mirror is, and I like that it's like this way. I like that the mirror is wide, so you can get the whole profile of like your face like right here. That is freaking nice. Hell yeah, I like the Boxycharm so far. The unboxing, hell yeah. So let's get into it, you guys. Let's go in with the eyes using this English polish. I love the colors, but I'm like, I don't even know like what to do. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting, and I'm just going to use this as my eye primer, and I'm using Natural Beige. Going in with my Makeup Shack T29, and I'm going to just blend this in my eye lid. I'm gonna go in with AKQ right there with a Morphe R37, and I'm just going to just lightly dab this in my eyelid. Just lightly, just add some color in there. Kind of using this as like our base, because I still don't know what I'm gonna create just yet. So I have another Alamar, oh I just made a mess, Cosmetics. This one is volume 1, and I am going to dabble into this one también because I need more colors. We're gonna go into this shade right here, and we are going to apply that in our crease. So technically it's not cheating because I'm using an Alamar palette. Morphe E23. Oh, you know what's cool? This one didn't have a mirror, and Spanglish does. Hell yeah, improvements. So now we're going to go into our crease and just focus that shade in there. Okay, we're just going to just bring it around, and we're just going to blend. So just blending, just going in circular motions just to help buff that color in. And you don't have to press hard at all. This brush just does it all for you pretty much. So just going to just keep blending. And I see. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe G24 and we're gonna pick up Muy Excited. And that one is the Spanglish palette. And we're going to focus this right here towards the end. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Master Stroke number 4. And I'm just gonna go above my crease. We're going to go in with the Profusion Bright Lights UV Neon Liner. This one is in Flash, and we're gonna do right above. Going in with this beautiful shade right here, and I'm going to just press it on my lid. And my head, it processed differently, but I'm gonna go with some glitter. Okay, now going with the NYX glitter, and then the Studio AOA. This one is Crystal Powder. I like how that looks. I'm excited with how that looks. So, since I haven't been like really like on my A game with makeup lately, because I haven't done any of my makeup. I haven't done any makeup at all. I'm going to go in with some tape before I apply my liner. It's okay. It is okay. Some people are chingonas at the flick and others are not, and I am part of the others. So I'm gonna go in with a Zuva eyeliner, and this one is in Grease. All right, I'm gonna go in with the Luxe lashes, and this one is in Chimosa. Okay, so I got my foundation on, concealer, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to use the Phase Zero, and I'm going to pick up this contouring shade right here using the Jaclyn Hill 05 brush. So we're going to pick that up. Yeah, you can't really see it. Probably gonna gift this to my mama because she's lighter than me for sure. But for the sake of the video, I am going to just apply it like I would. Like, it's showing a little bit, but not like how I would like, you know what I mean? Ooh, it's good for the nose. That was a good little contour for the nose. Okay, and I'm just going to just dust the rest of this in my face. If you're curious what brush I'm using on my face, it's the Morphe and Jaclyn JH1. And I'm just going to just remove underneath my face. I just like to distribute the powder all over my face. Now for the blush, I will be using these two shades. So I'm just going to dip here and dip here. Not too like wowed by it, but it gets it done. Mom, if you're watching, this is yours. So going in with my Pinky Rose Cosmetics, I'm going in with this nude color, which I do not have on here, but here it's nude. Let's pick up Funday Hyper, and I'm using the Makeup Shack T63. I'm just going to apply it underneath our lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with Muy Excited, and I'm just going to just run it with that same brush. Just mix those two together. How pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T13, and I will be picking up this shade right here, which is Pero Like. That's what I said. And we're going to just add it right there in our inner eye. I'm gonna spray my face using the Makeup Fixer from Ofra. Okay, for highlight, I am gonna go in with Sleek Makeup, and this one is Cleopatra's Kiss, and I will be going in with this one right here. I like that highlight, so I'm gonna go in with the pencil brush that we used to apply the Alamar, and I'm just going to apply it right here too, because damn, that is gore. Ooh, that is pretty. Now let's go in with the mascara for our bottom lashes. I like it, especially for the bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner in Bite Me. Now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Peach Sunday Funday. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. This one is Send Nudes. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm done. I'm so freaking excited because I'm like, all right, like it came together. I just need to do like the rest of my face. So I loved this month's Boxycharm box, especially because I got this in here, the Spanglish. Hell yeah. I really like the palette a lot, and I love that I have the other palette from my previous Boxycharm. Well, it was like 2 years ago, I think, maybe, or I don't even know, but I have this one as well to play with it. So I thought it was so cool. It's so freaking cool, and I really like how this look came out. Like, I really do. I feel like the glitter for sure definitely made it pop, and what I love about this glitter, it's like only $1, and like, look, it made the whole look. Oh, you. What all did I get? So I got this. The only thing I think I did not like in my Boxycharm box was phase 0, just because it is just, it's like good for contouring my nose, but it's not something that I'm going to be like, ooh, and grab, you know what I mean? But you know what, that's okay, because everything else I did like in my Boxycharm. So 4 things out of 5, that's good, especially for the price. So I am so thankful that Boxycharm sent this to me. They gifted it to me, so thank you so much, Boxycharm. If you guys are interested in signing up for your own Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. You do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys liked today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for joining me. I know I have been MIA. I know I have been not uploading, and you guys have been going through it. But you guys are helping me so much pull out of it. I talk to you guys on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook, and you guys literally are freaking amazing. You guys are such an amazing FAMBAM. I love you guys so freaking much. You guys help me so much, and you guys have no idea. Even when you guys check up on me, like, hey Lex, I noticed you didn't do this today. I love you guys so much, and I will be doing my normal uploads. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm excited to get back into it. Oh, put you back into it. I love you guys so freaking much. I really do. And thank you guys for everything that you guys do. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me with YouTube's algorithm. Ooh, mira chingona, use that word. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys, and make sure to subscribe to see more content. If you guys want to see more of this, I do have a vlog channel, and I will link it down below. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the upcoming videos I have for you guys. Oh, keep it. Bing, chicka, bing, chicka, bing, chicka, bing, bing.